2 years ago, you and I have no problem meeting customers, having coffee and presenting your products and services. In the new normal, we have challenges when it comes to virtual presentation. What kind of challenges one may be facing? Customers may turn off the camera and not right in front of you. Second, customers may be listening to you and may not get excited because their attention is shorter on virtual platform. Customer may be listening to you but not getting excited because the way you design your presentation. Customers may be having questions and throw all the questions to you, and you may not be prepared to answer all the questions. So there are many reasons why when you present virtually, no one is buying from you. That can be very frustrating. I am the author of Speak with Impact to Any Audience, and I have been training businesses, especially business leaders, to present effectively in any business environment. That includes virtual environment. So if you care enough about getting more results when it comes to presenting your products and services, come to me. I'd like to invite you to come for the free 90-minute webinar where I'll be sharing with you 7 powerful tips how to improve and enhance your presentation immediately. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jackson Ng, and I look forward to having you in my free 90-minute webinar. All you need to do is click the link below and register yourself and bring some friends too. See you and have a nice day.